Hello students, I am Ma'am Bushra Shahzad Khan and today we will shed light on the chapter Fundamentals of Organizational Structure. In this unit, we will focus on the relationship of various organizational designs which we discussed in the last unit with efficiency and learning setup. Before going into details, we need to know the characteristics of efficiency and learning design. Efficiency setup is basically mechanical in nature. Here, information is limited and controlled by top management. It works best in a stable and less complex environment where work is routine in nature. It follows do as directed approach, which means too much rigidity and formalization is there. In the end, organizations survive in red ocean, which means cutthroat competition is the name of the game. Red ocean is basically where market is saturated and every player is fighting for its due market share. And it does not deal with innovation or creativity. The motive is to survive with the available resources. That's why we call it efficiency. The next one is learning setup. It, it is also known as organic design. It deals in fast-paced dynamic environment which means organization is surrounded by disruptions and disruptions lead to innovation and creativity. Here information is shared across the departments. Lastly, collaboration is the name of the game because every organization and unit is dependent on other in terms of resources, technology and best practices. I need to add one thing before proceeding further. Learning organization not only survive but also thrive in the long run. The process is time consuming but results are lasting and free from imposed or artificial treatment. As you can see in the infographic, the leftmost structure, that is functional and divisional, are inclined towards vertical and efficiency design. And the designs which are placed on the rightmost side, that is basically horizontal or virtual, or you can call it modular, they are inclined towards horizontal, or in other words the learning design, which can be termed as organic in other words. Thank you.